Yeah, hi. In today's video, we are going to be looking at a site called Scribby, and we're going to be doing a full review of Scribby, and we're going to be showing you how you can make money by transcribing audio and video files. And you can do that without any experience at all. So make sure you stay tuned right to the very end of this video. I'm going to go through it step by step, exactly what you need to do and what you can actually earn. So let's crack on straight away and go through a full Scribby review. Okay, so as you can see, we've come on to the Scribby website, and it's all about audio and video transcription. So on Scribby, you can actually get automated transcription, you can get video transcription, podcast transcription, and obviously you can sign up to be an audio and video transcriber. So that is obviously what we are looking to do. We're not looking to have the files transcribed, we're looking to be a transcriber, which then will actually get paid to do other people's transcribing for them. To find out more details, let's scroll down. This basically goes through here everything if you want to actually get your things transcribed. So we want to scroll right to the very bottom here. It says here, join as a subscriber. So this is the 3 steps you've actually got to do. So you've got to sign up as a transcriber, set up your PayPal account because they pay via PayPal, and then take a transcription test. So you have to do a short test of a project they've got set up to just show that your transcribing skills are up to scratch. You don't really need any qualifications for this, and you could obviously be fluent in various different languages, because it's not only English they want to try transcribe to. They might want something that's in English transcribed to German or to French or to Spanish or anything. So again, this would actually suit anybody that is obviously of a different language. So like it says here, number 1 is set up as a transcriber. So you just click the get started button here. And as you can see here, freelance transcription, work at your convenience and earn $5 to $20 per audio hour. Okay, so we provide automated transcripts to save you around 60% of typing effort. So you can use obviously their software and that they've got built in, and you can earn up to $5 to $20 per audio hour. So it's not per hour that you work, it's per audio hour. So in other words, you've got an hour's worth of of audio you've got to transcribe, and that may take you 2, maybe 3 hours to probably do. But like it says here, they have got automated transcripts, which you can obviously save you around 60% of your typing effort. Now there's no obligation, so you don't actually have to commit to a certain amount per month, and you obviously there is no withdrawal limits either. So you can do 1 task and then you can probably withdraw your money out. So again, it lends very easily for something that you can do as a sideline job. Now don't get me wrong, you could obviously try and build this up into a more permanent job by doing different things, and you can go on and do different transcribing as you go down the line. So like I say, here is the transcription process. So you obviously listen, so your required skills are listening ability and good comprehension of English. And then it says correct, apply context, identify mistakes, and correctly automated transcript. And then you can earn obviously $5 to $20 per audio hour paid directly into your PayPal account. And it says here how much could you earn, and it says here you could earn as much as in an intermediate, which would up to $800 per month. Full-time income, a full-time living, because you're looking at that being about 8 hours per day. So some of the other things that you do need, obviously it says here the ability to interpret conversations, the ability to apply context and identify mistakes. You do need a verified PayPal account, and you would need a laptop, desktop, computer, internet connection, and of course a headphone and headset. So with Scribby, they've been around since 2008. They've obviously got 42,000 certified subscribers globally, and they have actually subscribed over 7 million minutes. Okay, and they've paid out over $3 million. So a very trusted site and been around for a few years. So it's totally legit and you know you're actually going to get paid. As you see here, they do give you a monthly bonus of $5 for every 3 hours you complete each month. So maybe that's another good reason to obviously work a certain amount of hours per month. As you can see, Scribie are based in San Francisco in the United States. But as it says here, we are hiring. So they're always looking for more freelancers to do this transcribing. So if this is something that you think you'll be able to do and that you could then earn a few extra dollars on the sideline or maybe even work it into a full-time living, then maybe check out the link in the description below, sign up for Scribie for a free account, and then obviously you can then go and take the test and see whether you are accepted as a freelance transcriber with Scribie. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch this video next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. You'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.